Good morning, home farmers. I'm here in my home farm. I'm gonna harvest some fruits and vegetables. Um, where's that woman over there? Oh, she's harvesting the seeds of our lettuce. This is what lettuce is this? This is romaine lettuce. Yeah, that's the seeds. Yeah, this is our lettuce. We allow them to produce seeds so that we will not buy anymore. Um, the other variety of lettuce that we have is this is I think red loose leaf, and we produce our own seeds. So this is harvestable, but this one is ready for uh, flowering, and later on we'll have our own seeds. So we just keep on recycling our seeds, so we no longer buy our seeds. Right now, as I've said, we have to harvest some fruits and vegetables in this home farm. So it's a sunny day today, and you can really feel the bounty of nature in this garden like this. This is our huge bitter gourd, or locally we call this ampalaya. I think you'll be the one to harvest. No? Okay. So I'll do it myself. So just take a video of me so we can show to the home farmers how bountiful this 50 square garden is. Hello. So so you'll take the video. So we'll set this to this mode. Okay. As you can see, this is really fresh. Our definition of freshness is the time count from the moment you cut to the moment you eat. Yeah, it's freshness. This is our measurement of nutrition, freshness. It's really fresh. It's very big. This is about 500 grams. It's almost it's half a kilo. And we have here, I'll just leave this here. We have here this, I can climb in this plant riser. It's very sturdy, very strong. Well, so here's the okra at the highest level of my plant riser. Is the okra, and it's also, oh, sorry, very green. We have here eggplant, very fresh. And there are the next batches there. So that's for next week. There. So in our garden, we just allow them to go like that. No, we tried to wrap them, but insects want to eat. So we can only call them pests when they compete with our survival. But since we consider them as part of nature, so we just allow them. We don't get angry when um, they eat our some of the fruits and vegetables. Okay. Why don't we harvest lettuce? We have here. What's up? Talong. More talong. So we will fry them, or we will make salad out of them. We have this array of choices. What kind of menu we make out of them? You have the calamansi. That's for later. Now I'm gonna harvest lettuce. Shall I cut the whole plant or I'll just take leaves? Okay, the whole plant. No, this is. There's more. Lami. Sa Bisaya pa, perting lami ah. Perting presko ha. Okay na siguro. And basil. I'm gonna cut basil. Okay na kayo. Thank you.